19, 20, 21, same kind of thing. We're solving a decimal word problem using inequalities. This time we have variables on the both sides. Someone's choosing between two exercise routine. Routine 1, she burns 20 calories walking. She then runs at a rate that burns 12.5 calories per minute. Routine 2, she burns 41 calories walking. Then she runs at a rate that burns 7.25 calories per minute. For what amounts of time spent running will A burn fewer calories, or 1 burn fewer calories than routine 2? Use T for the number of minutes. So be careful to make sure you use a T, because I always would put an M there, and I've done it a few times, but use the variable they tell you to. So routine 1, 20 calories, then at 12.5 calories per minute, so 12.5 times T. Routine 2, 41 calories walking and 7.25 calories per minute while she's running. We want routine 1 to do fewer than 2, so we want it to be less than 2. So if I'm going to solve this one, I'm going to subtract my 7.25T and subtract my 20. So 12.5 minus 7.25 is 5.25. T is less than 41 minus 20, which is 21, and then I'm going to divide. So 21 divided by 5.25 gives me T is less than 4. So if I was going to run less than 4 minutes, then routine 1 would burn fewer calories than 2. If I'm going to run longer than 4 minutes, I might as well do routine 2 then. Number 20, a phone company offers 2 monthly plans. Plan A, the customer pays a monthly fee of $2.90 and pays an additional 7 cents per minute. We're using M for the number of minutes. In Plan B, there is no monthly fee, but the customer pays 8 cents per minute. For what amount of monthly phone use will A cost at least as much as B? At least. So that means I would want to have A be greater than or equal to B. At least means it could match it, but it could be higher than that, right? So greater than or equal to. So if I'm going to solve this, I'm going to subtract my 7 cents a minute, which gives me 1 cent a minute. So 290 is greater than or equal to 0.01 M. Divide by my 0.01. So $2.90 divided by 0.01 gives you 290 minutes. So 290 is greater than or equal to M, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So on inequality word problems, it makes more sense to flip it around. The number of minutes would have to be less than or equal to 290. And number 21. Carlos is going to rent a truck for 1 day. There are 2 companies he can choose from, and they have the following prices. A charges an initial fee of $60 and an additional 90 cents for every mile driven. We are using M for the miles driven. Company B, $73 and an additional 70 cents for every mile driven. For what mileages will Company A charge less than Company B? So A is less than B. So again, we want to solve that. We're going to go ahead and subtract our 70 cents M and subtract our 60. So 20 cents M is less than 13, and we have to divide by our 20 cents then. So M is less than 65. So if I'm going to drive less than 65, then A is going to be cheaper or less than B.